Welcome to today's bit of fun Friday. We're going to look at Teardrops by Womack Womack, a classic tune. But I've looked on the internet and loads of them start with just a major chord, not the major seventh. And I've tried to find one, but I can't. So this is my notes, remember, on how to play it, the way I play it in my band. I think it sounds pretty good. So here it is for you. If this is your sort of thing, don't forget, like and subscribe, always appreciated. Let's have a quick run through it. So the sort of verse chorus chords run around continuously, then there's the bridge, and then it goes back to running around those main chords again. So you have to vary your playing a little bit. I think an electric piano works particularly well. And sometimes it's good to space out the chords and not play a rhythmic element to it. So and then later on you can build it up into a sort of more funky set of chords. At the end of 4 times round that, if you're playing after the singer starts, you need to do that 4 times, and then after the bridge, when the singer starts, you also do it 4 times. Often our singer will leave a little bit of a gap after the bridge before the singing starts, so you can't really start counting 4 sets until that happens. All the other times you go round, you go through this sequence 3 times, and it ends with this run: F sharp, G, A flat. So you'll be going The only other thing I'll tell you about on the keys is that there is a sort of solo part that comes around a few times when the singer stops. What you're doing is the left hand is still following those chords, but your right hand is just alternating between these black notes. So you could think D sharp and F sharp and C sharp and G sharp. And don't do it regular. It is slightly off time, so you can afford to sort of play around with it a bit. What you don't want to do is this. Don't do that sort of regular sound, because that's not what they do in the album. So let's just check you've got those chords. So E major 7 is this, so you've got the D sharp at the top here. So in the left hand I've got my E, and I've got A flat, B, E flat. So that's an E with the major 7 on top. Then to move to the C sharp minor 7 is actually nice and easy, because all you do is move this E flat up to the E, and then obviously the left hand moves down to the root, the C sharp. So move onto your little finger now, and then the E flat minor 7 is these 3 fingers. So we got the G flat, B flat, D flat. Then A flat minor 7, A flat in the root, G flat, B, E flat, and a little run if you want. A flat, B flat, B, E flat. Then you've got the bridge that you can see there. A flat minus 7, E flat minus 7, C sharp minus 7, F sharp. I've put the full chords there in case you need to explain it to your guitarist what they need to be doing. But what I would do, and I do, is do open fifths for these. So for the A flat minor 7, I would just do the A flat and the E flat. And to move to the E flat, you just move your thumb in the right hand to the B flat. So you've got B flat and E flat. Then move down. So you've got A flat and D flat. Or C sharp and G sharp over that C sharp minor 7 to make that an open fifth. Then again, you're just moving your thumb down to the F sharp now to make that F sharp open fifth shape, which sounds like this. Something like that anyway. And then you're back into a little bit of that before you jump back into the verse chords and finish off the tune. I hope you found that fun. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.